Hello, this is Mihir Kaya, Creative Director and Founder of Infomax Infotech. This video is about Project Koraka, aka Corona Raksha Kavach, which essentially is a design discussion that is supposed to help facilitate in finding frugal yet functional solutions for transportation, isolation of people who are infected or suspected with coronavirus. We at Infomax are beckoning all designers and non-designers to collaborate with us and to contribute in the best possible ways. All our design files are going to be live and free so that if you are a designer, you can maybe download it, iterate on it, send it back to us or upload it to your favorite social media platform with the hashtag Koraka so that people in power, government or industrialists can pick it up and materialize their ways to support the community. If you are a non-designer, that's great. You can send us a feedback and your intuitive solutions for the design concept that we wish to propagate, and then we can put the same design on social media using the same tools that we discussed earlier. All our design elements are made of raw materials that are easily available at a hardware store in your neighborhood. When times get tough, it's going to be difficult to transport people in bulk, and an ambulance won't be the best resort to make that happen, as it just serves one individual at a time. So, I'll share with you the first concept that we have. Our first concept is essentially a self-isolation room that converts into a pod-like structure that rests on a stretcher. The design has a base of a stretcher made of GI rods, having a flat bed made of wood, and a bed on it for resting. The room is 6 feet long, 3 feet wide, and 6 feet tall. So when healthcare providers wish to relocate the patient, the entire room can be converted into a smaller room, which is almost like a sleeper coach of a luxury bus. All of this is made with raw materials like PVC pipes, cardboards with sufficient ventilation, made of mask material or a layered clothing. Having the base of a stretcher makes it simple for healthcare providers as they already trained for such motions and can thus serve better in frantic times. This can be used majorly to isolate suspects and corona-infected patients. Our second concept is an advancement of the first concept, which has attached oxygen cylinders to help patients with advanced symptoms of COVID-19. The second design has a framework of a stretcher, which is covered with a plastic dome-like shield that are constrained with steel pipes, and the patient is constrained with harnesses so that if advanced healthcare is necessary, they can be transferred to critical care units. With our design considerations, our dimensions allow pedal transportation. On linear stacking, a truck can carry 4 patients, a lorry can carry 10 patients, all at once. This is all linear stacking that we are talking about. If stacked vertically, better transportation can be facilitated. As all patients don't require most of the services available in an ambulance, such makeshift transportation might aid the situation better. Also, this can bring employment to the heart of our logistics. Our truck drivers and our daily wage workers can be included in such systems wherein they can be facilitated with better PPE kits. Just give it a thought. We are privileged enough to work from home or to be closer to our workspaces. And even if not that, we have private vehicles to help transport us to our workspaces. But when lockdown is eased out, they are the ones who have to travel miles and miles apart from their homes with the least effective PPE on them. So maybe including them in this kind of an arrangement will help them have access to the better PPE kits and a healthier lifestyle eventually. Thank you for listening to us. If this video makes sense to you, please contribute to the website or please contribute to the concept and we'll help make the community better. Corona has been around for a very long time and together we can knock this down. Jai Hind.